In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a loading splash page on the Wix platform. Wix is a popular website builder that provides users with professional tools to create stunning, high-quality websites for personal or business use. Today, we'll be focusing on one specific and very useful feature: the loading splash page. Starting off, the first step is to navigate to the Wix website editor. Here is where the magic happens, and it's also the place where you'll be spending most of your time while building your website. After reaching the website editor, you'll need to change to the mobile edit mode. Keep in mind that although your website will work on both desktop and mobile, it's critical to switch from desktop to mobile mode for this specific task. Moving on, you'll next need to locate and click on Mobile Tools. This is where you'll find a wide array of utilities specifically designed for mobile optimization. These tools will give you complete control over how your website functions and appears on mobile devices. Now, it's time to get down to the actual setup of your loading splash page. Look for an option that reads Add to Site button. Upon clicking it, you will be greeted by the welcome screen. This is essentially the blank canvas on which you'll create your loading splash page. From here, let your creativity flow as you customize the welcome screen to your liking. You can make your loading splash page truly unique by adding a logo of your choice, changing the background color to match your brand or mood, and setting the animation options for an interactive and lively loading splash. This is one great thing about Wix. It allows you a lot of room to experiment and personalize every aspect of your website, and the loading splash page is no exception. Pay attention to detail, stay consistent with your colors and logo, and keep a keen eye on the animation options to ensure a smooth and engaging user experience. Congratulations, you now know how to create a loading splash page on Wix. The skills you've gathered in this tutorial will go a long way in helping you create an impressive and user-friendly website. Don't forget that a well-designed loading splash page not only makes your website feel more professional, but can also keep your audiences engaged while your main content is loading. Happy designing!